Hello, like you see, it's a new timepiece. It's a diver from Edox, like we can see, a Swiss timepiece. It's the Delfin model, and like you can see, it's a colorful one, so green. But I'm a funky guy, and each summer I want a neutral watch for dive, surf, swim, and many other sports. I never stop sport during holiday, and I want peps. And when I look this Edox, I see the history for this brand, and I found that the Delfin, it's a quartz model in the 70s, and a true diver. Like we can see, the water champion Edox Delfin. The water resist is 300 meters. It's perfect for my sport, and the case is 43 millimeters. It's perfect for my wrist, and I choose this rubber so green because it's so perfect for summer sport. And quartz is important for this model because it's the true history of the Delfin, never automatic, just quartz. And I have many timepieces, and I show the quartz because this one is a very sportive timepiece, and when I take an automatic at my wrist, and after another timepiece, when I travel, I have many timepieces with me, around 5, 6, and I don't want open the movement with the water. It's perfect, the quartz for me for this timepiece, but honestly I prefer automatic and mechanic timepiece, but sometimes a quartz can be cool too. And this one, it's perfect with a quartz movement. The quartz is a Ronda Swiss movement, and of course Saphir Crystal, and I can't show you, but the rubber is so smoothy, it's so comfy timepiece, and honestly a cool diver for this summer.